How to find profitable Solana wallets. Hi everyone, in this video we will show you exactly how to find profitable Solana wallets. Visit the Dune website and navigate to the Trojan Trading Bot stats section, trojantradingbot.dune.com. Scroll down to the Degen leaderboard section to view wallets with significant trading volume using the Trojan Trading Bot. Sort wallets by sell volume to identify those with the highest sell activity. Dive deeper into the statistics by selecting a page with substantial sell-in volume, typically around pages 200 to 500. Examine the buy and sell volumes of each wallet. If the sell volume exceeds the buy volume, it indicates a potentially profitable wallet. After selecting a promising wallet, copy its address. Use the command /check wallet address in Zelfie Guru on Telegram to generate a report on the wallet's activity and profitability. Review the Selfie Guru report to assess the wallet's performance, including ROI, win rate, and trading activity. Verify if the wallet is active and has generated consistent profits. Launch Trojan Bot on Solana. Navigate to the main menu and click on Copy Trade. From the Copy Trade screen, you can manage existing wallets or add a new one. Click on New to set up a new Copy Trade configuration. Specify a unique tag for your target wallet. Enter the wallet address you wish to copy trade. Determine the amount of Solana you want to spend for each trade. Alternatively, set your buy amount as a percentage of the target wallet's buy amount. Prioritize your buys by specifying the buy gas. This helps ensure the timely execution of trades. Enable the toggle if you want to copy sells from the target wallet as well. Once all parameters are set, click on Add to initiate the copy trading process. Your wallet is now ready to copy trade buys and sells whenever the target wallet performs a swap. You can also check out the link given in the description for some extra help. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.